All right, let's do this problem over probability. Find the experimental probability for each color based on the results. Color on spinner, red, blue, orange, green. Number of favorable outcomes, 2, 7, 5, 6. The experimental probability. All right? So, as always, we begin with our rules. All right. Read the entire word problem, underline or highlight the specific question, label and annotate by circling all numbers, boxing all key terms, eliminate unnecessary information, evaluate and explain, select the correct answer choice. So we've already read the entire word problem. Next, we're going to underline or highlight the specific objective. In this case, it's not a question, doesn't end in a question mark, but it is the specific that we're looking to solve. So find the experimental probability for each color based on the results. All right. So there's 4 colors: red, blue, orange, and green. All right. There's 4 colors, so they're represented on the spinner as 4 separate colors. All right. Even though it's in black and white and grayscale, we can just say that's red, this is blue, this is orange, and that's green. Okay? So we've highlighted the specific question. We're starting to label. We circle our numbers. We've boxed our key terms, key information. Okay? This formula is very important. All right? The probability is the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes. Okay? And in this case, we have favorable outcomes. So this is the amount of times that the spinner landed on each color. So red twice, blue 7, orange 5, green 6. Okay? Now, the total number of outcomes means that we have to add these numbers up. 2 plus 7 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus 6 is 20. So the total is 20. All right? Now, the experimental probability is a number of favorable outcomes over the total number of outcomes, okay? We've always been doing this as part over whole, all right? So the whole would be the total, and the part would be the amount of times that it landed on that color. So for red, it would be 2 over 20, which would be simplified to 1 over 10, all right? Blue would be 7 over 20. There's no common factors, so we'll leave that as 7 over 20. Orange would be 5 over 20. All right? We can simplify this by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5, which would give me 1 over 4. Green, 6 over 20. And I could reduce this further as 3 over 10. All right? So we've labeled. This is our evaluation process. All right. We have our label over our formula. And then we've solved it. So the experimental probability would be 1 over 10 that it would land on red. 7 over 20, it would land on blue. 5 over 20, it would land on orange, which we can simplify to 1 over 4. And then green would be 6 over 20. All right. That's the experimental probability. And we have solved this problem. All right, let me know if y'all have any questions, and I will see y'all in the next video.